Sir, actually, we wanted to know about the distribution channels and the supply chain. Like, आपने दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम किया है, दोनों फूड आउटलेट्स में. सो वहाँ पे
Okay.
मेन डिफरेंस क्या था? फिर मैकडी का सप्लाई कैसे चलता है? वहाँ पे आप कैसे लोगों को मतलब कंज्यूमर्स को सर्व करते हो? In case if you can
Okay.
tell us, sir.
Process for that, we have to place it 2 days in advance. Like we have to take it lag, span, and buffer. Okay. So lag is between the order cycle to next order cycle. It means we have an order cycle on Tuesday. So next order cycle will be on Thursday. Okay. When we have a 2 scheduled deliveries. If we have a 3 scheduled delivery, like I was working in a high volume store, so we have a 3 deliveries plan, and both at night because no entry was given to the truck for 11 to 11. So this was the issue. So we have to place it order right before the Tuesday night till Wednesday 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. was the cutoff time. We can modify it and we can place it order. Now delivery will come on Thursday, 1 day in advance. So this was the issue. This was the process. And the span was the order cycle to order cycle. So 3 points I'm mentioning it: lag, span, pad. Okay, lag was between order cycle to next order cycle. And the span was delivery cycle to next delivery cycle. When delivery date, when it's Thursday, when we place order on Tuesday, delivery will be on Thursday night. So next delivery would be on Sunday. I'm telling you my store, which I was working. So 3 days time would be the span. Okay. And the pad with a 1 day buffer, 1 day, 2 day buffer. So that delivery will be postponed. You will be able to run the store. So this was the supply chain of McDonald's. Same was for Burger King.
So, Vikalp, are all the supplier for all the products same? Like only one supplier provides all the products, or you have different suppliers for different products? Like talking about buns or packagings or whatever XYZ there is in Burger King or McDonald's. So, is there only one supplier for all the products?
No, the supplier are different. But I told you, DC placed the order to that supplier, and they deliver to DC, and the delivery is been planned by the RKFL at the distribution center. They send it to our store. Okay, they have a different supplier for the different things. I can mention it right now that for the buns we have a Cremica, Mrs. Vector Foods, and for the chocolates and all things Sundays we have Amrit Food. For chocolate ruffles we have a Morde. So we have a plenty of supplier. I can send you a list if you want. Okay, DC placed the order to them. They deliver to DC on their own trip, and then delivery is planned by when we place the order to DC. They take it out from their cold storage, and they send it to us.
Okay, Vikalp. So I just wanted to know about one more thing. So when a customer places the order, so how much time do you take to complete it? Because for example, I heard that Domino's Pizza they have to deliver the pizza within 30 minutes to at their doorstep. So when a customer come to your store and they place the order on a normal aloo tikki, so how much time did you take to prepare it, and how do you deliver it as much as fast?
Normally we have a criteria of delivering the products in the maximum 30 seconds to 40 seconds only. Or we just take on the prep time is 30 to 50 seconds maximum. Okay. When patty is ready, we need to fry it. Okay. The frying time is 3 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. But we kept it in a UHC, Universal Holding Cabinet, and it is staged for 20 minutes. And it is staged as per our volume. When there is a high volume, we have 4 bands in a McDonald's: low, medium, high, and ultra. Ultra means you have to stage all the patties as per and they will be a VHC. Okay. I used to maintain when I was in inventory management, and as a restaurant manager also, there is a responsibility of inventory management to prepare a VLC.
Because following to this, all the raw materials are provided by the suppliers, right? I mean, you don't buy anything locally. or is there any food
No.
item, any
We
component
have
which
to
you
buy
buy?
when when we have to buy it locally. So what is the brand? It will tarnish the brand of the image. Okay. Okay. We have to even a supplier. We have everything. We can place order. Why should buy it locally and get it from the petty cash? Who will take the headache? We have to run the store, or we have to go to the market to get the things. Like we have to do it, and I will not shy away from the. We have to do it for the cream. So we have to buy Amul Gold cream. Then we have a authorized mail from the company. And when we run out, when tomatoes were not tomato was not ripened from the supplier chain, so we have to buy it for the 4 days tomato.
Okay.
So Vikalp, talking about QSRs in general, quick service restaurants, like taste is one of the factors which you guys like QSRs give priority to. So what about the service of the QSRs, like hospitality and service? Are they focused well as much as they are focused on taste?
Yeah, because when we when a customer will come to your restaurant, you will give them a good service. They will tell you 10 customers, or they will tell to 5 customers. They will also come to, like you were the boys. You go with your girlfriend there. So food was amazing. You will go next time there. If you provide bad service, you will say, this is ridiculous outlet. I will not go there. I will go to some other restaurant. In the competition, you have to survive. You have to give the brilliant service. Okay, you have to win back the customers. Like in McDonald's sense, you are loving it when people were loving it.
And do you
Okay.
use any software or anything to maintain the to get the track of the inventory? Like
Yeah, like we have a OSMS, online store management system in McDonald's. In the Burger King, we have NBO, new business operation. Okay, we have you can have a stock count. You have to enter the stock count also. For making a order, you have to count your stock first. Then you have to plan okay, how much GC will be there. Then they will calculate. And when you place order as per a software, you will specially scolded out. So we plan it on our own.
Mhm. So in a normal day, like there are a Tuesday. So in a one normal day, how many burgers do McDonald's sell from your last experience? Normal day, not a festival or
Like,
a.
it depends on you guys. When you have a good footfall, it doesn't matter if it's a Tuesday or Wednesday. But I can tell you on my experience, 800 GC per day for the Tuesday also,
800.
and 200 for the delivery. So it will be around. So you can multiply it to 12,000 burgers in the weekend minimum, and 6 to 5,000 in a weekday.
So do you have any agenda behind ki you have to sell this number of burgers in a particular day from marketing department
No,
or from your upper head?
no, we have a pressure of McDonald's have a pressure of achieving the sale and profit. It doesn't matter how much burger you have to sell. Okay, when you're selling 5,000 burgers, you will getting equally relevant to the selling of 1,000 Mac Spicy Paneer Burger because it's a brand core value product. You know what is BA? BA is brand affordable. People can affordable like aloo tikki, chicken med grill. These are the brand affordable people. And for the college mates, like Happy Price menu for Happy Meal. So these are the affordable things. When we have a long burger like spicy paneer wrap and chicken wrap and all the things, these cost us 200 to 250 rupees. So the amount of the feasibility of the product doesn't matter. The matter is sale.
just one last question, Vikalp. I mean, is there any strategic planning ahead? Like since because of the pandemic, the business was hit a lot. So to recover the losses, and also is Burger King planning anything further, like strategic wise? Maybe working on the
Like
or
hmm,
expanding the.
because people got very frustrated because they are very demanding. The McDonald's doesn't demand. They demand on sale and profit and QSP. You know what is QSP? Quality Service Cleanness. Okay, and
Okay.
Burger King is demand Burger King demands on your just a target based thing. Like you have to sell these burgers.
Okay.
Yes. 3-in-1 new promotion, you have to sell it 50 so that your average check will be increased. So they focus on sale, more inclined to their profit. The cooking time is the same, like 3 minutes for the burger, 5 minutes for the chicken, 7 minutes for the broiler. Everything would be the same, or it will not be changed by the COVID. Okay. So why people were saying the delivery time is less for the Burger King? It's because of Zomato and Swiggy.
Okay.
Because people who were delivering the product, they want to deliver the as fast as possible. Okay. So they were delivering it, and people Burger King what they did is just take the food ready in a bin. Like this is we have a delivery order. We will make sure the delivery is ready by the rider coming in 7 minutes for the delivery. So this is the issue.